Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be filming my most awaited for room tour. If you guys did not watch my room transformation, I will have it linked down below because I really do recommend it. But with all that being said, if you want to, be sure to subscribe. I post a lot of college and lifestyle and productive content. And also, if you want to leave me a comment, I do answer every single one, so it'd be a nice way to chat. And lastly, if you guys could help me out and give this video a huge thumbs up, it would be really appreciated. Also, everything will be linked down below, at least everything that I could find, just to help you guys out a little bit. Alright, with all that being said, let's get into it. So when you walk into my room, this is the first thing you see, and the first thing I'm going to do is give you guys a little overview of everything. Alright, so I guess we'll start on this wall. So on this wall over here, I obviously have these green little leaves that are just hanging from my ceiling. I hung them using Scotch removable poster tape, and I think they add a lot to the room. And then of course I have my TV. The leaves are from Urban Outfitters. You can also get them on Amazon for a little bit of a more affordable cost. And the TV is from Samsung. Then moving down over here, I have my dresser, which I put all my clothes in. And when you come over here, I have this little diffuser. I love putting lavender essential oils in here because it really calms me down and just makes my room smell so good. Then I have this plant. I believe this plant was from Target. I really like it. I feel like it's such a nice plant and it adds like a little purple to the room, which I personally really like. And then I have this little sign that says flowers bloom, so does hope. And I got this from Home Goods. It just reminds me that when you think of positive things, hope is always in the air. So I got that just to remind me of it. Then moving over here, I have this little clock on top of my TV little thing. And this clock is from Marshall's. It was actually $10 because the tag is still on it. But I really like it. I feel like it's vintage and adds to the room. I was trying to go for a gold, white, green, and light pink aesthetic. And some hints of rose gold, so I feel like this really added to it. And then over here, I have a little picture of a cactus. So this cactus is from an Etsy, which I will link down below. And then this little frame is from Target. Then I have this little plant, and then I have this little candle, which is from Target. And it is a really nice smelling candle. It smells like Citrus Grove, that's what it's called. So I do recommend that if you can find it at your local Target. Then coming over here, my drawers are a little bit messy, but I know you guys do like to see what's in the drawers. I was watching Ken and Marie's room tour a while ago, and she said that she saw someone really show everything that was in their drawers, and everyone seemed to love it, so that's where I'm getting the idea from, so credit to her. So in this drawer, I just keep my workout gear, so I have my leggings and more leggings, and then I have my workout shirts. And then in this drawer, I have my shorts. So I have my jean shorts, my like velvety shorts, and my cotton shorts over here. And then this drawer is kind of like my junk clothing drawer. So I don't mean that in a bad way. I just mean anything I don't have a home for, I just throw in this drawer, but I still wear it and love all of these clothes. Moving over here, I have my sweatpants and sports bra drawer. So these are just like joggers that I like to wear out. And then these are sports bras that I wear when I work out under my t-shirt. This drawer is kind of packed, so not the neatest, but I am going to do a whole closet clean out. So be looking out for that video. Then in this drawer, I have my pajamas and my MacBook, which we're just gonna ignore. So I have my t-shirts and then some sweatpants, and then some sweatpants again back there, but they're in the wash right now. And then in this drawer, I just have some more sweatpants, a really fuzzy sweatshirt that I wear around Christmas time because it's a Christmas sweatshirt, and then I have some Nike Pros and everything like that. Alright, now moving over to my desk area. So this is my new desk. I'm so happy about it, and I shouldn't say new desk as in the furniture is new because it's not, but everything else on it is new. Also, this little piece of furniture over here is from Pottery Barn. It probably won't be linked down below because I got it years ago, as well as that desk, but everything else will be. So of course, starting up here, I do have the leaves again, which I really like. And again, I just put them on the ceiling with my Scotch removable poster tape. And for any of you wondering, it does not rip the paint off the wall. I've used it on my other walls when they were gray and it was perfect. So then coming over here, I have these 4 little pictures, which I got again from Etsy. So I just have this one that says Gucci, and then I have all of these, which I just thought really tied the desk area together. Now moving down, I do have my MacBook right here. For those of you wondering why I have 2 MacBooks, it's because I got a new one because the other one that was in my drawer actually doesn't work anymore. I can't get the storage to delete off of it, so I'm having an issue with it. And then in this little thing, it is a laptop stand, and I got it from Target, and inside I have my school computer, which my school actually gave us. So I have my computer right here and then the charger to it as well. The only thing I would say about these drawers is that it's kind of hard to open with one hand. But coming over here, I do have this picture frame, which is again from Target, and then the picture again, I think it's a church, is from the girls' Etsy, which I will talk about later. Then over here, I have this little stand from Target. It's a pencil and pen holder stand. And then it also has a little place to put your phone, which I thought was really cool. And then I have this rose gold pen in it, which is from Amazon. And then these regular sparkle pink and green mechanical pencils. Then coming over here, I have a little birthstone candle. So this one is pearl because I was born in June, and obviously I just lit it. And this is from Target. And then this mirror is actually from Swarovski. My grandma got it for me, and I think the flower is beautiful and I really, really like it. And then it just comes on this mirror, which I really like. I just feel like it really adds an elegant vibe. So then coming over here in this drawer, I have all of my stationery. So I have my pencils and then my number 2 pencils, just in case I need to take an exam that requires a number 2 pencil. Then I have whiteboard markers, which are for that whiteboard that has to still be hung up. And also for when I'm in person at school, the study rooms, because they come with whiteboards. And then I have some whiteout just in case I make a mistake. I also have some post-it notes and some index cards, and then some extra post-it notes and some extra highlighters. And then of course I have my little rose gold binder clips, paper clips, and these little things as well. I forget what they're called at the moment. And then I have my calculator because I'm an accounting major and you just need a calculator as an accounting major. Then coming into this drawer over here, I have all of my Scotch tape that I got from Amazon, and then I have my books. So I have my little planner and then my notebooks and my folders for class as well. This straw also is broken, so that's why it doesn't completely close. And then in this straw, I've got a new vanity, so I just threw all my makeup in for now. But usually my books would go here for school, like my textbooks. I just have to still clean this out. Then over here, I have my little like iPad area. So I have my iPad in here, my Apple Pencil, and my charger for the iPad. That's because sometimes I write notes in class with my iPad. Then I have my glasses just in case I would need them. I do have an extra water bottle. This is inspired by Julia K. Chris because she got it from Target and I absolutely loved it. These little holders that I have in my desk area are also from Target. And then I just have a glasses case and some paper. This is a card my mom got me for my birthday, so I just kept it there. And then my gray little bench that I use for my desk area is from Marshall's. It wasn't that expensive at all. It's not the best for sitting on all day just because it doesn't have a back to the chair, but I make it work, it's fine. I am looking to get another one possibly though, so I will keep you updated if I do. Then over here I do have my wall organizer, which is actually from Target. It was inspired by Lauren Doan and Hannah Elise. I was gonna hang it up, but my mom hasn't had time to help me out yet, so I'm just waiting for her to help me with that. So in it, I have these little markers, which are from Target, I believe. They are the Zebra Mild Liner Highlighters. And then I have Lauren Doan's Today's To-Do List little journal, which I absolutely love. And then over here, I have a stapler in it. And then underneath this, I do have a little whiteboard that I still have to hang up with my mom as well, which I will keep you guys updated on. And then I just have the classic garbage can to put all of my small garbage in from when I am working around my desk area and everything like that. Moving over here, I have this little wall collage of pictures from a girl's Etsy again, and I will have it linked down below. I really like how the pictures are very vintage and all like kind of the theme I was going for my room. I don't own the rights to any of these pictures. They are all the girls that I got off of Etsy, and I'm not sure if she took them or where she got them from, but credit to that girl. And then I have this little mirror, which is actually also a jewelry holder, so I will open it up for you guys in a minute. But I got this from Amazon and I really like it. So this is the length of it. And then it actually has a little key holder. So this is to lock it and this is to open it. And this is what the inside looks like. I think it's really cool that I can lock this jewelry stand just in case I wanted to for whatever the reason may be. But how I have it lined up is over here I have some of my necklaces. So this is actually a necklace my mom got me for my birthday. It has like everything I love to do, and it does have a camera for YouTube, which I really liked. So I have my gold jewelry, I have my shell necklace for when it is summertime, and then I have my silver jewelry, and this is one of my favorite chains. It's from Princess Polly and I really like it. Then over here I have some of my rings. These are mainly from Pandora, and then coming down here I have some of my bracelets and Alex and Ani's and everything like that. And then over here I have my earrings. I actually lost this one, so I only have one. And then I have some over here and some over here. And then I just have my tighter necklaces and more bracelets down there. So I really like this little jewelry stand because I feel like it's so cute, and it's a mirror, so it's a good place to put your jewelry. And then just so you guys can see the whole entire wall behind it, this is what it looks like. Coming over here, I'm gonna start with my little blinds up by the curtains. So those are actually from, I believe, Urban Outfitters, and then my bedding is also from Urban Outfitters. This quilt is so nice, I love it so much, and the pillows are also from Urban Outfitters. And then over here I have this pillow in the middle. That is the only one that is from Target, but I really like it and recommend it. I think it adds to the room a lot, which I personally really like. Over here, I just have a little nightstand. So I have this gold little picture frame on it, which is from Target, and then the picture is again from the girls' Etsy. And then I have this little light box that I forgot to put batteries in, and it just says, "Believe in you," because you should always believe in yourself no matter what. And then I have this little flower, and it came in the little vase, and I think the vase looks so elegant. I really like it, and I think it adds a lot to the room. And then I have this candle, which is called the Blushing Amber, and it is again from Target, and this little flower vase is from HomeGoods. And then I just have this little stained glass flower that my grandpa made for me, and he is unfortunately no longer with us, so I cannot have one of them made for you. I'm sorry. This is just a piece that I really like to keep in my room because it reminds me of him. And then I got this little dream catcher, which my mom got me when I was little, and I like to keep it around because it reminds me of my childhood, and I just think it's really pretty and still matches my room. And then down here, I just have some books and some computer like holders and everything like that. And then my mom actually made me a scrapbook, so I have those pictures in here. Coming over here, I have my little hamper, which usually has so many clothes in it if you watch my vlogs. So that is from Target. And then on my wall over here, I have a little painting of flowers, and I think it's very simple but elegant, and I did get it from HomeGoods. Now for what probably all of you have been waiting for, my huge Tezza collage picture wall. Now I will have it linked down below. I actually did not paint this wall. I left all the pictures up because this picture wall took me forever to do. But this is what it looks like. And then I have a little vanity, which is new. It's from Amazon. I will link it if I can find it. And it has this little circle mirror in it, which I really like. And for a little Vanity Tour. So I have this little makeup brush holder, which is from Marshall's. And then I have my Charlie and Dixie D'Amelio little brushes in here. And then I have brushes from Marshall's and brushes from Tarte as well. And then I have these little brushes, which are like more for techniques, I guess. So like eyeshadow and everything like that, like the smaller brushes, and those are from Marshall's. And then in this drawer, I just have some nail polishes, which are actually all from Target. Then coming over here, I have this little gold holder, which is from Target, and I have my scrunchies in there, and I think this color really matches the room, so I put this color on top. Then I have this candle that would not light for the life of it, so that's why it's not lit, but I did get it from Target and it is cute. And then I have this little oil diffuser, which is also from Target, and I got it a while ago, but it still smells very nice. And then in the drawer over here, I have some scrunchies, some hair clips, and some regular hair bands. And then coming over to this drawer, I have all of my makeup. So this isn't all of it. I showed you guys the rest before, but this is what I use the most. So I have this little tool, which is for my eyebrows. And then I have this pretty fun and fearless little palette, which I personally love. I'm obsessed with it. And then I have this beauty blender from Tarte. I have two Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear foundations because this one is almost out. I have a little concealer just in case I need it. I have two mascaras. This one is the classic one, and then this one is from Tarte. It's called Big Ego. And then I have an eyeliner, and I have my powder back there, and also my Boy Brow Glossier eyebrow brush. Then I also have this stool, which actually came with the vanity. I think it's so cute and matches my room perfectly, so I'm happy that it came with the vanity because altogether the vanity was only like $130, which is not bad at all. Then moving over here, we have my closet, and I know the LED lights kind of look bad because they weren't long enough to go all the way down, but it's fine. I got used to it. I'm probably gonna get more soon, but I have to find the right length. So these are my LED lights. They are from Amazon, and if you have any questions about them, I have a whole video on LED lights up on my channel, so I will link it down below. You can go check that out. And then moving over here, I have this area, which I personally love. So starting up here, I have that little shelf, which is from Urban Outfitters, and on it I have a green plant, which is from Target, and a yellow candle, which is also from Target. Then coming over here on my really big ottoman, I have my little angel that my mom got me, so obviously I don't know where that's from, but I really love it and think it ties my room together. Then I have this little plant, which is also from Target, and that little wooden vase, which is from Target. And then I also have this little plant, which is also from Target. And then one of my favorite things about my room is this little rose gold piggy bank. This is an antique that my mom gave me, and I personally love it. So I will never take those coins out because they are from a long while back, and I just love it. Then, like I said, I do have this huge ottoman. So in here, I'm not gonna open this one just because it is way too messy. But in these drawers, I just have my shirts. So obviously this is very messy too. It needs to be cleaned. But these are all my t-shirts and my like going out tops that I have in here. Then in this drawer, I have my jeans. So it won't even open. So I'm not gonna open it all the way. But they are all folded. It's just like stuffed. So I have all my jeans in here. And then in this drawer, I have all of my sweatshirts, which I have a lot of sweatshirts and I have to sort through all of them because it's crazy. That about wraps up my room tour. If you guys did not notice a difference with the camera quality, please let me know because I am filming on my new Canon M50 EOS, and I think I really like it. The only difference is that the screen is to the side now, so I have to learn to look at the lens rather than looking at the screen, because on my Canon G7X Mark II, the screen was on the top, so I would just look at the top and it would look like I was looking at the lens. So that's the only difference. But if you guys did end up liking this room tour, please be sure to let me know by giving the video a huge thumbs up, subscribing to my channel if you want to, and leaving me a comment down below because I do answer every single one. But with all that being said, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.